So the last assignment we're going to be doing is a independent samples t-test. Um, so for this assignment, you're going to be making a video on you doing it. And I'm really here to just show you how to do it. So let's get into it. So an independent samples t-test is a comparison between two different groups. So the example that's given here is gender and attitude. I'm going to do gender and self-esteem just to give you um, some variety. So what's the first thing that we should do for a independent samples t-test? So we're going to open up SPSS and we're going to do analyze. We're going to do compare means and proportions, and we're going to be doing a independent samples t-test. So our main test variable is going to be total RSE, which is self-esteem, and our grouping variable is going to be gender. So that is Q6. So here, just for the sake of simplicity, we're going to define groups as one. Group 1 is 1, and group 2 is 2. That's just male and female. Okay, we're going to click OK. And then now we have this. And I know this looks a little overwhelming, but we only need a few numbers from here. So we're going to look at the second box, and it's going to be our F value, our sigma, our T value, our degrees of freedom, and our two-sided P. So since the T is higher than 0.001, we're going to be looking at this top box right here, this top row. So we are looking at T is 0.184, our degrees of freedom is 393, and our two-sided p-value is 0.854. So how do we write this? So I have a document right here, and this is the original post. I'm just going to write the words a little different. So the differences between genders were examined using an independent sample t-test. That works. Next, we're going to do, there's a significant difference between genders and attitudes toward looking for partners via dating apps. So we are going to change that. There is not a significant difference between genders and self-esteem. And self-esteem. Then we are going to be doing our values. So our T, we're going to put our degrees of freedom in here, and since the first T is 0.184, we are going to be looking at this top row. So our degrees of freedom is going to be 393. And then our actual T value is going to be 0.184. So we go here, and then our T value is going to be 0.184. 0.184. And then P is equal to, let me find it, P is equal to 0.854. So we're just going to do 0.85, and then that means that males, which is up here, our mean is 22.17, compared to females have a more positive attitude towards looking for data. So basically, we're going to change this sentence to be not significant. So this means that males and females do not directly correlate with total self-esteem. And then we're going to reject our null hypothesis, or we're going to fail to reject our null hypothesis. All right, so now that we have this, let's go into our what is our null and alternate hypothesis. So here is the original null and alternate. So there's a significant difference between gender and self-esteem. And the alternate hypothesis is there's no significant difference between gender and self-esteem. All right, so now that we have our alternate, we have our null, and then we have our report here. Then all we have to do is take a screenshot of this. So I'm going to take a screenshot, and then we are going to crop this. All right. And then now we can just import, or we're going to insert an image, upload, and you're going to be doing this on the Canvas app. This is just an example. So this would be a completed version of the assignment. All right, guys, take care. Have a great day.